can walk over to the corner where there's a lot of light. Oh yeah, cool. There's a car coming. Let me show you this pile here. It's a lot of snow. It's coming on top of last week's. We have snow, and the flakes, I'd say, are smallish. Starts off small. It's a precursor. It was almost, I'll tell you what it was. You mean the movie? It was a obvious foreshadowing. I mean, it was almost like, it's almost like a fake foreshadowing, where they tell you what they're doing. That's my problem. Okay. That's the snow. Okay.